Want to practice Arabic writing? In this video you will write words that contain the letter ta. Are you ready? Let's start. In this lesson, we will introduce the letter ta. Ta corresponds to the English T, but it's softer, in the word tree. Now try to write it with me. Ta. It's easy to write it. Let's see the three basic voweling signs when used with ta. First, here's the fatha. The pronunciation now will be ta. Next, this is a kasra. The pronunciation now will be ti. And finally, there's a dhamma. It, now pronounced as tu. Listen again. Ta, ti, tu. Now, let's practice writing and pronouncing these basic voweling signs. When ta is written with fatha mark, the pronunciation now will be ta. Try to write it with fatha mark. Let's write words using this letter. Please take your pens and pencils to write with me. Ready? Let's begin. Taj means crown. Ta. Ta. J. Taj. Now let's join these letters together. Ta. Ta. J. Taj. And next. Tarikh means history. Ta. Ta. Ri. I. Khi. Tarikh. Now let's join these letters together. Ta. 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 Ri. I. Khi. Tarikh. When ta is written with kasra mark, the pronunciation now will be ti. Try to write it with kasra mark. Let's write words using this letter. Please take your pens and pencils to write with me. Ready? Let's begin. Tilmidh means pupil. Ti. Li. Til. Me. I. The. Til. Midh. Now let's join these letters together. Ti. Li. Til. Midh. Me. I. The. Tilmidh. And next. Tilfaz means television. Ti. Li. Fa. Fa. Zi. Tilfaz. Now let's join these letters together. Ti. Li. Tilfaz. Fa. Fa. Zi. Tilfaz. When ta is written with dhamma mark, the pronunciation now will be tu. Try to write it with dhamma mark. Let's write words using this letter. Please take your pens and pencils to write with me. Tufah means apples. Tu. Fi. Tuf. Fa. Hi. Tufah. Now let's join these letters together. Tu. Fi. Tuf. Fa. Hi. Tufah. And next. Tuhfa means masterpiece. Tu. Hi. Tuh. Fa. He. Now let's join these letters together.
تو حي تح ف هي تحفة.
The letter
تاء
has four possible positions: isolated, beginning, medial, and end. Let's write them. Let's handwrite the isolated form. Here is how to write the beginning form. Like
تل
means hill.
ت لي تل.
Now let's join these letters together.
ت لي تل.
And next
تنس
means tennis.
تي ني سي تنس.
Now let's join these letters together.
تي ني سي تنس.
And next
تجربة
means experiment.
ت جي ر ب هي تجربة.
Now let's join these letters together.
ت جي ر ب هي تجربة تجربة.
And next
تمثال
means statue.
تي م ث ث ل تم ثال تمثال.
Now let's join these letters together.
تي م تم ث ث ل تم ثال تمثال.
And next
تاكسي
means taxi.
ت
The
كي سي يي تاك
C.
تاكسي.
Now let's join these letters together.
ت
The
كي تاك سي سي يي تاكسي.
And next
تليفون
means telephone.
تي لي يي فو و ني تليفون.
Now let's join these letters together.
تي لي يي فو و ني تليفون.
And next
تذكرة
means ticket.
ت ذي ك ر هي تذكرة.
Now let's join these letters together.
ت ذي تذ ك ر هي تذكرة تذكرة.
Here is how to write the middle form. Like
ختم
means stamp.
خ تي مي خت مي ختم.
Now let's join these letters together.
خ تي خت مي خت مي ختم.
and next
فتح
means opened.
ف ت ح فتح
Now let's join these letters together.
ف ت ح فتح
And next
مكتب
means office.
ما كي ت ب مكتب مكتب
Now let's join these letters together.
ما كي مك ت ب مكتب.
When those exception letters come before the letter th, it will be written in the middle of the word, like this. For example,
خاتم
means ring.
خ خ ت مي خاتم.
Now let's join these letters together.
خ خ ت مي خاتم.
And next
برتقال
means orange.
بو ر ط ق ق ل برتقال.
Now let's join these letters together.
بو ر ط ق ق ل برتقال.
And next
مفاتيح
means keys.
ما ف ف ت ي ح مفاتيح مفاتيح.
Now let's join these letters together.
ما ف ف مف ت ي ح مفاتيح.
Write the end form. Like
أنت
means you.
ني ت أنت.
Now let's join these letters together.
ني ت أنت.
And next
تحت
means under.
ت ح ت تحت.
Now let's join these letters together.
ت ح ت تحت.
And next
صمت
means silence.
ص م ت صمت.
Now let's join these letters together.
ص م ت صمت.
And next
زيت
means oil.
ز ي ت زيت.
Now let's join these letters together.
ز ي ت زيت.
When those exception letters come before the letter the, it will be written in the end of the word. Like this. For example,
نبات
means plant.
ن ب ب ت نبات.
Now let's join these letters together.
ن ب ب ت نبات.
And next,
صوت
means voice.
ص وي ت صوت.
Now let's join these letters together.
ص وي ت صوت.
And next,
كلمات
means words.
ك لي ما ما ت كلمات.
Now let's join these letters together.
ك لي ما ما ت كلمات.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Don't forget to like this video. If you need any help, please leave a comment, and I will be glad to answer your questions. Learning with Eman. Free Arabic course.